how to add Snapchat filters to pictures in gallery, or how to add Snapchat filter to pictures in camera roll. The steps are so simple to follow. First of all, now after you open up your phone like this, now go and open up your Snapchat. After you open Snapchat like this, now tap on this section to upload the pictures. So now tap on this camera roll, this one. Now go and select the picture you want to add. So for me, let's say I'll just go ahead now and search for a picture from my device. So I'll just go ahead now and search for a picture. I'll use a random picture from my device. Let's say now I want to use this picture. After you select the picture you want to use like this, now just now go ahead now and tap on this section, this arrow. After you tap on this arrow, now you get the list of all information you can be able to add to your picture. So now all you have to do now, swipe your hand like this. So now as you can see, now here is the filter section. Now go ahead and select the filter you want to add to your photo. So I'll just go ahead and select a random filter. So after you select the filter you want to add to your photo like this one, so all you have to do now, if you want to post it on your story, go ahead and post it. But if you want to download it, all you have to do now, tap on this export button to download the picture. After you tap on the export, now swipe to left. Now as you can see, now tap on this download button. Now it is exporting my photo after I add the filter. That's it guys on how to add filters to pictures in camera roll. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.